Al-Amin College of Pharmacy is one of the oldest pioneer self-finance private institution situated in the heart of the Bangalore city, Karnataka, having UG, PG and PhD courses, affiliated to Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences, Karnataka, and approved by Pharmacy Council of India and AICTE, New Delhi. The Institution Innovation Council of Al-Amin College of Pharmacy was started in Feb 2022. IIC Al-Amin College of Pharmacy was selected by Ministry of Education, Innovation Cell, Government of India for organizing the Impact Lecture Sessions.
The Impact Lecture Session 1 was organized on 24th June 2022 on the theme Startup. 2 lectures were organized. The first lecture was titled Startup and Entrepreneurship Opportunities in Healthcare. The speaker was Mr. Sachin Komboje, co-founder and director, OPEX Accelerated Private Limited. The speaker gave a route map about the pitch deck for being a successful entrepreneur. He highlighted the opportunities available for business prospects in various healthcare sectors. Lecture 2 of this session was delivered by Dr. Jayant Kandare, Professor, School of Pharmacy, MIT, WPO, co-founder, Actorius Innovation and Research, OncoDiscover. The title of his talk was Startup Technology, Translation from Bench to Bedside, OncoDiscover Liquid Biopsy. Dr. Jayant, a research innovator and entrepreneur, shared information on his research-based startup and its activities, which involves designing technology for cancer diagnostics.
More than 200 participants, including students, teachers, startup enthusiasts, entrepreneurs, and industry professionals, registered and attended the live session on Zoom and YouTube. The Impact Lectures received a huge response and positive feedback from the participant. The key outcome of this session 1 was the awareness of startup avenues in health sector and the insight was given about the innovations that can be done in field of oncology for early diagnosis of the cancer. We from IIC Al-Amin College of Pharmacy thank Ministry of Education's Innovation Cell, Government of India and AICTE for sponsoring the Impact Lecture series. We are grateful for the encouragement given. Thank you.